Hi there, I'm Councillor Alice Smart. We're out in Armley today with the Armley Labour team. I'm joined here by Councillor Jim McKenna. We've been out campaigning for the local elections around Little Scotland. We're here on the Edinburghs today. As you can see, there's quite a serious problem here with fly tipping and litter. We've been doing our bit to get it cleared by taking photos and reporting it to the council. Please report any fly tipping or litter around your community to us and we'll do our best to get it cleared. As you may know, the bulky waste item collection charge has been scrapped by Leeds City Council after lobbying by many community interest groups and the Armley councillors. We're really pleased it's been scrapped. So anyone across Leeds now, across Armley, can now have items collected for free. So please make sure you report this to the council and we'll get items cleared as soon as possible and help keep Armley tidy.